Okay, so this bathroom faucet rusted, and I'm going to replace with Moen. Okay, so this Moen single one, and this is a beautiful unit. And this one they sold at Costco, not very expensive. And this one is very nice. Alright, it doesn't come with normal drain, and this one comes with a push drain, so I like it. The hardest part is to make 3 to 2, so we have to make a new template for a single one. Okay, so we need to remove all of these before we can put the other one on. The water is turned off, but still dripping. Okay, so it's out. Now we need to knock this out, but we glue it down so good now. Okay, so we used liquid nail before, so it's really hard to take them off. Now we're just going to use acrylic. Okay, so we're going to replace the drain with a new one. So we removed the old one already. I'm going to clean it. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, so this one has a little rubber. I put it down. Okay, nice. So this one's going to go in like that. Okay, so we'll make sure that it's up there. Then we're going to put this one. And it's going to press it against. Make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, so very simple. That's it for the drain. This is very nice. So just put it in.
That's it. It's locked.
Yeah. Wow. It's beauty. Okay, so the Moen, they're gonna have the direct log cable to go all the way in here, so we have to remove this. It's okay. No, it's alright. So we're gonna put right there. So we need these tools to hold it down. So we use the tool to hand tighten. I don't want to break the granite. Okay, so the left side is hot and the right side is cold. And they give you a lot of hoses. It's really long. Anyhow, so it's good. Okay, so it's time to turn on the water and test. No leak. That is good. Okay. God, the push button one is so good. Love it. The outside pretty hot, and this side is supposed to be cold. The middle should be even. So the drain does work. Got a little bubble there.